You are in Vienna, Austria at Super Sense. This is our analog palace. After 3 minutes, you peel it apart and you would have your lovely image. Haha. Last episode I was with Mathieu and we were in Vienna, Austria, but now he has graciously invited me here to Paris to shoot the Motto Ludivine, and I've decided to bring some one-instant films all the way here along with a proper Polaroid camera to try to make some really nice pictures today.
So I'm really stressed because it will be my first time shooting peel-apart film ever, so a lot of responsibilities. We just have like 12 photos, so I don't want to screw everything, so Chris will give me the good advices and yeah, let's shoot.
Hold this metal when you pull this out. It's to cock it and then shoot. So cock it, shoot.
I'm stressed. Fast or slow?
Just like don't stop, but just slow and constant. Okay. Now the important part is we wait 3 minutes.
Oh.
So overexposed and...
I think this is beautiful, I love it.
You like it? Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So grab like this part and then this part and just peel them.
Okay.
Through the dark slide. It's coming out so that the light got in. Like this part, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a light leak.
Maybe too fast.
You're getting a little, yeah.
Wow.
Kind of different.
Yes, nice.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's really good.
We did it, mission accomplished. We had a lot of fun here in Paris today. We took a lot of really nice photographs. I had a blast. Please check out supersense.com for continued information about One Instant. But I've graciously been invited to come here in Paris. Where am I? Hey, we did it! With Mathieu and Ludivine, and I don't know why I feel so stupid when I'm just worried I've said the names wrong. Okay, so